welcome to my little Eden. I had to make this quick reel to show you what I'm packing and what you can pack if you are planning to visit Kazakhstan. It's a good time to go there in terms of weather and stuff, but the problem is it ranges from 5 degrees in the evening to like 23 degrees or 20 degrees in the afternoon. So what on earth are you supposed to pack? Let me show you what I am taking. Before I get started, let me tell you that I travel as light as possible. Okay, so I just go with a backpack and I go with a trolley bag. The trolley bag is about 10 kgs and my backpack is supposed to be 7 kgs. I wear my heaviest clothes while I'm traveling. So jeans is obviously heavy, so I'm not packing that. And I am taking this very warm coat for the evenings. I'm taking leggings, a full sleeve tunic, full sleeve t-shirts, warm t-shirts, some woolen wear. I'm also taking a dress, full sleeves again, a light jacket just in case it's not too cold, a pair of gloves, a scarf, very important, thermal wear, ear muffs, also leggings, thermal leggings, undergarments, and of course very important, makeup and some toiletries as well. That's it. That's almost like 90% of my packing, which is done and filled in this one. So everything can fit in that backpack, but just in case you go shopping, this is also very useful for that. So I hope that helped. All right, bye.